Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cetus FPV. If you're an absolute beginner trying to jump into the FPV hobby but don't know the exact spot to start, this video is actually for you because just like me, I'm also a beginner in the hobby. I've been a fixed winger all through. I fly fixed wing most times. So recently I just got into the FPV hobby, which I feel I should share my own view and also gadget I'm using as a beginner, which might help you who wants to go into the FPV hobby. So, and you're stuck, you don't know what gadget to buy, what to avoid as a beginner, because that can be very, very tedious, especially when you're trying to differentiate different systems. But don't worry, that's fixed already. Better FPV has a complete kit, Cetus X FPV flying kit. This kit has everything you need to start flying FPV, which includes the transmitter, the drone, the goggle, battery charger, manual, everything you need to start flying FPV as a beginner. This is a tiny whoop and I've been flying this for at least let's say 2 months now. We're going to unbox this and see what's inside, and definitely I can say this is worth buying as a beginner, so you don't have to waste your money buying the wrong kit. Let's unbox this amazing tiny whoop. The kit comes with a carrying case, comfortable for you to go anywhere you want with the FPV. So it has a manual, the user manual that includes all the instruction on how to set up this, bind it together. And also I need to mention that there are two variants of the Cetus X. There's the one with better flight firmware, and also the one with the better FPV firmware, which is the one with optical flow sensor. But this is the ELRS version. So we have the Cetus X drone, which is a very tiny drone, just a palm size. I think it has a frame of about 5.5 inch, but the prop is like 2-inch prop. Yeah, that's 2-inch prop. A very amazing whoop, a 2S tiny whoop. Also there's 6-port charger for charging 6 batteries at the same time. This charger can charge about 6 batteries at the same time. And also, aside from this, it comes with also another charger, which include a tester for testing the batteries. It's supposed to come with 4 batteries actually, but this came with 2 because of the restriction in my country. We have restrictions of number of batteries that can be shipped in a parcel, which the maximum number is 2 cell. So I had to order another extra batteries from the store. So this is like the tester for testing the battery voltage. You see, this shows you the battery voltage. So, and at the same time it uses Type-C charger to charge this, so you can actually charge these batteries with your power bank or your phone connectors. It came with a Type-C cord for charging all the accessories, because all the accessories came with Type-C ports. You have let me see, you have extra screws, extra props. I think about 4 extra props. The prop remover is a tool for removing the prop, and also comes with this chip. This chip is the one you connect together with this guess here you connect this one. Okay, you connect this, then you connect it to this port, so you can access the firmware on the FC if you want to configure anything, or you want to tune the rates, tune the PID, and also do any sort of configuration on this. It comes with this module, and it's a Type-C module, so you just plug in your Type-C, plug into the drone, and configure everything. It comes with extra 4 props, so you have spare props. Then also it comes with a screwdriver if you have anything to maintain on the drone. So it also comes with the goggle, which is a plug and play analog goggle, and also an ELRS transmitter, and this is the light radio 3 transmitter using ELRS protocol. It has a bay for external module, which is the nano module, but on this it has the ELRS, and this is kind of solid. I've been using this on my simulator. It's just plug and play. You just plug in a Type-C, connect that to your PC, and you're good to go flying simulator. And it feels very okay. I've been using it to fly for a while now. And also the goggle has an SD card port, which you just slot in your SD card by just pressing this till it clicks, then you just plug it back like this, and you're good to go. It has a power switch by the side, the charging port, the light indicator, the DVR indicator. So this whole system is just plug and play. Once you connect your drone to the battery and connect your drone, is a 2S drone, so you need 2 1S drones to connect. Then you turn on your TX, it makes beep sound, then you connect your batteries. Make sure you check the arm switch is not on, then you plug this in. You should get the beep sound from the drone, so it shows is active. Then you turn on your goggle. This should bind together. Okay, you can see, as you can see what the drone is saying. This is it. So it's just like a plug and play system. You don't have to like start binding, connecting anything together. Just plug and play. With this, you are ready to start flying. So guys, we've seen everything inside the Cetus X FPV kit. So let's talk about this amazing tiny whoop. It has a variable camera angle, so you can switch. As a beginner, you can start flying with a very low camera angle, so you don't have to tilt the drone too much, so it won't fly very fast. And you can decide to increase the camera angle, depends on how good your flying is and how confident you are about flying with a higher camera angle. So I guess this is worth buying as a beginner, because you don't want to crash your expensive digital FPV. That will cost you maybe about $500 or so. This costs just about $284. So this is a very good kit for beginners, and you don't have to crash your expensive digital FPV. And also it can do anything the actual drone will do. It can do rolls, flips, and everything. I'll be uploading my videos from this tiny whoop. After this review, I'll be uploading the videos of the feats from this FPV drone. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, because I'll be uploading other amazing content on FPV drones, and also step by step for beginners who are willing to go into the hobby. I'll be guiding you through, just like as I'm going into the hobby. It's easier for me to relate what I've learned so far in the hobby. Thank you.